Well, it is all over. Kwasikamenzela isigodi bathi Orlando Amstel Arena, MTN 8, wafa. Orlando Pirates get a win at a dying moment. Abantu sebevala amehlo bethi siya kuma penalty against Durban City, but Orlando Pirates got 2 and Durban City 1. That means Orlando Pirates advance to the next stage of the MTN 8. This is through pass. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, we are here and sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. Lami igama uSiboniso Sizo wakomnikazi Sibongo yena ngihambi ngedwa ngiphethe umsayiphoze mfana nolwazi.
Sanibona bafethu, it's a wrap of the first game of the quarterfinals of the MTNs, and we'd like to congratulate Orlando Pirates for booking their place in the semi-finals against a very stubborn Durban City in Orlando.
Yadle mnyama. We saw the first goal. It was a penalty in the first half and the red card for Pochenball. And second half, we see Durban City equalizing, and on the dying moment on extra time, Orlando Pirates finishes off without going to the penalties. I
think it was a good game. Firstly, I think there was that hype before the game, following the comments by Unganana, and then the reaction from Pirates management and defense on those comments in their last game that they held at Orlando. So there was that expectation which the game was going to be a high tempo game, which I believe it was a slight disappointment, although it was a good game. But I don't think Pirates upped their game that much, and they didn't have that high intensity, because when Durban City got a red card, Durban City looked like a team that actually had an upper man over Orlando Pirates, and Pirates had to struggle to ensure that they get a winning goal. But eventually they did get a winning goal.
So many changes on Orlando Pirates players. We saw some, I would say coach maybe is trying to give other players some opportunity and see them playing, but it looked like they haven't gelled well.
Yeah, I think they started the game with a majority of their starters, but I think the bench was more of newcomers, and so when those guys were introduced, a lot of combinations were broken, and they had to try and get something out of the game as the game progressed. Because you see Khositsile, Masilela, Lungu, Mokobodi, Sibangani Zulu, 5 new signings. I think who made it into as substitution. So you would expect ukuthi team ingabi the intensity that is usually known for when they are playing at home at Orlando Stadium. So I think that showed, and Durban City as well. I think they held their ground, but eventually they were not able to push Pirates to what they hoped for, which I think they hoped for penalties.
Really a disappointing moment for goalkeeper, more especially with Durban City, because one would have thought they are holding it down. The defense was solid there. The popular player Nganana was ensuring the captain he's organizing defense well, but unfortunately at the end of the day they could not be able to succeed.
Yeah, with a solid defense there with Nganana, and then eventually Pirates were able to get a goal through to Kampani Lungu, and they've experienced in this tournament, and we congratulated them.
You talk about the newcomers and you touched on Kampani Lungu and the goal that he managed to get, which brought Orlando Pirates to the next stage. Kampani Lungu is quite a player that you can rely on Mufuna those type of goals. I remember what he did against the Mamelodi Sundowns as well.
No, he's an experienced player. I think he came at a very young age, coming from Zambia to SuperSport United, and he's at a very good start at SuperSport and then Suwelele, and now Pirates gets him when he become an experienced player, and we can only hope that he's going to be handful to Pirates' campaign this season.
Durban City, again, up front, Sebetole red card, but still up front, you could still see what they were trying to do, and the introduction of Morris.
Yeah, that was a joke.
How is it a joke?
You even ask yourself if Durban City do match fitness test. You can't allow a PSL team to have a player like in the level of Morris fitness to be fielded. That guy was tired even if he grounding. you could see even Amaranaka. There was a run that he made where he kicked to Ulebone Siema on the back of Itolo.
Hey, that could have been a goal, man.
If you're a striker there, you take a shot from far and then Bono keeper wins a save, no more wins. But Ngobu Azaza, pace, we're trying to run, but we also or more. And then that was it. I think we said the move. Morris Chiefs, I mean, it happens from a performance where he kept defense Orlando Pirates very busy there centrally, and then when Morris came, he had a very underwhelming performance, to say the least.
Then would you say then that substitution was a bad substitution?
Yeah, it was a bad substitution. He can be a good player, but I don't think he's fit enough these days.
Yeah, probably it's his first game. I'm not sure whether he played on the game that they played against Sekhukhune.
I'm not sure as well, but it was very underwhelming, and there's no excuse. Morris is a very old player, as Mazi. So each time it's all a chance, more especially in a big game like this, he should show what's in the any experience and why should Iteven City rely on him.
Over and above, Orlando Pirates are through. And we all know this is Orlando Pirates' bread and butter, MTN 8. So do you see them causing another upset again this season?
Because it's a must be the MTN 8 in a preseason cup, but because you can't judge much from performance here, we can't say from performances ababe now nale game yokuqala abadlale kwi-league naleya namhlanje. Those two performances were not so exciting, but you can't judge them because they won't have a good season. So I think they are gonna grow into.
But I'm talking about MTN 8.
Yeah, MTN 8 is their bread and butter, and I think they are the most favorites to win it again because they've won it 4 times. There's no reason why you think otherwise. Who's slumping out now? So yeah, I think they still do stand a chance.
Hawu, ngizama ngicabanga iculo le Pirate manje sebebuya ngidida amabhaba because abuya acula amacula afana nalawa. Was joined.
Yeah, copycats. But yeah, congratulations to them. And yeah, I hope Amashita gets their feet running, Lawa Figayo, and we'll see the remaining 3 quarterfinals and then we'll see it draw later tomorrow after I came Chiefs ne Golden Arrows.
Ati yadlemnyama. Lalera, we are of here. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, utshele nabakazi ukuthi sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. MTN 8, we are off now to watch Mamelodi Sundowns. Uthini wena?
Yeah, we'll see how they fare there. And yeah, it's gonna be a good game against Polokwane City.
Bopa.
No, we'll see. Ciao.